You see him back there?
Yeah.
Cool. Yeah, this will be fun. Look at Larry over the runway. Sweet. Kind of overshot a little bit. See if I can do it a little better. Now, I don't know how legal that is, but mighty fun, huh?
Yeah, it was.
Four is RTT. Have a good flight back, guys.
Outstanding time. Enjoyed it, guys. We'll do it again sometime real soon.
See you later, guys.
Yeah, I don't know whether it'd be better to get on top of these piles or just kind of stay below them. We'll just see.
What are they, about 5, 45?
What's that?
Those clouds, bases of clouds. Can't tell.
Yeah, I'd say about 45. We'll go up and kind of get close and just see what it says. All right. Yeah, we're at 2,000 now, so it might be a little bit lower than 45. Once we level off, we should get a fairly accurate fuel because right now all the fuel's kind of sloshed in the back.